Hello and welcome to LK Fitness X, your brand new dance workout. Here we go.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. Cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. Where to push